Hello Vivekians, welcome to the next day of school from home. I am Shivani here. I will teach you chapter number 3 of your social science, that is weather and climate. As you have already completed your chapter 2, that is parallels and meridians, you have learned about equator, parallels of latitude, meridians of longitude, grids, etc. Now, today we will learn about weather, climate, and the factor affecting climate. So, let's begin with weather. Students, what is weather? Yes, weather is the condition of air, wind, temperature, rainfall, humidity, etc. in the atmosphere at a given place and time. जो भी कंडीशंस होती हैं एटमॉस्फेयर की, समटाइम्स इट इज़ रेनिंग आउटसाइड, समटाइम इट इज़ वेरी सनी and sometime it is very cold. So these all are weather conditions, and these weather conditions keeps on changing. They are not fixed. It can change from day to day or can change several times in a day. Let us take an example. Sometime when you come to school it is sunny in the morning, but when you return to home it is cloudy and raining outside. So weather change, it is not fixed, and the changing weather also affect our daily activities. We dress up according to weather, we eat food according to weather. So weather greatly affect our daily activities. So students, our next topic is climate. Climate is a weather condition that prevails over a large area for long period of time. Students, अगर किसी भी प्लेस में सेम वेदर रहता है लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए, तो हम उसे उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया का क्लाइमेट कहते हैं. प्लेसेस कैन हैव ड्राई, हॉट, cold or wet climate if they have same weather conditions for very long period of time. Long means approximately 30 to 40 years. So climate is basically the long term average weather condition. So students, we have learnt about climate, weather. Now see page number 20. Here is a fact file. So see the define meteorologist. Who are meteorologists? The scientists who study the weather. जो scientists weather की study करते हैं, they are called meteorologists. Now on moving to our next topic, that is factor influencing climate. So there are 5 factors that influence climate, but today we will study first 2 factor. So first factor is latitude or distance from the equator. As you have already read about latitude and equator in your chapter 2, now we will see how latitude or distance from the equator influence climate. Students, do you know what is the main source of heat and energy for us? Yes, it is sun. We get heat and energy from sun. So earth also get heat and energy from sun, but different part of earth receive sun rays at different angles. You can see in the image on your screen that the places which are located on or near the equator are getting direct sun rays, but the places near to two poles receive the slanting rays. The direct rays will travel the shortest distance, and the slanting rays have to travel the longer distance. आप देख सकते हो इमेज में जो रेज डायरेक्ट आ रही हैं वो शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही हैं और जो स्लैंटिंग है वो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही हैं, विच मीन्स जो प्लेस इक्वेटर के नियर होंगे that will be hot, and the places which are away from the equator and closer to the poles will be colder. So in other words, we can say that the places near the equator have hotter climate and the places closer to the poles will have colder climate. Now, next factor that influence the climate is altitude or height above the sea level. So students, first question is, what is altitude? Altitude is the height of the place above the sea level. किसी भी place की height sea level से above को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Altitude. जितना ज़्यादा हम height पर जाते हैं temperature उतना ही कम हो जाता है. This is because temperature decreases with height. The temperature decreases 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meter ascent. So what is the reason behind this lowering of temperature? Why temperature get lowered with height? This is because as we go higher, the air start thinning and thin air absorb less heat. This is the reason the temperature is low at the peak of the mountain. Look at the image on your screen. The top of mountains are covered with snow, and it is also shown in the image that as height is increasing, the temperature is decreasing. Look at the picture carefully. At the sea level, the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, and on moving further, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. On further moving, it is reducing. It is now 15 degrees Celsius, then 10 degrees Celsius, and at the last, at the top, it is 0 degrees Celsius. And you know that water starts freezing at 0 degrees Celsius. That is why the peak of mountains are covered with snow. So, students, with this, today's explanation is over. Today, we have studied about weather, climate, and two factors affecting climate. Now, I am giving you an activity related to climate. You can see on your screen, I have written some places and you have to find out the climatic condition of that particular places and also famous food of that places. It is a fun activity. You can take the help of your parents and of course take the help of internet also. So try to solve this activity. This will enhance your knowledge. Now, next I am giving you some questions related to today's explanation which you will get in the form of PDF at school website. So try to solve this question. Okay students, take care and bye bye.